In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to add Word and Excel files directly to your PowerPoint presentation. It's a great way to keep all your important documents and data in one place, making your presentation more informative. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Select Object from the text group. In the Object dialog box, select Create from File. Click Browse to location your Word document. After selecting the file, click OK to embed it in the slide. If you want to change the icon, click here, select and then OK. Now attach the Excel spreadsheet. Select Object from the text group. Choose Create from File. Click Browse to find your Excel file. After selecting the file, click OK to embed it. If you prefer to provide a link, check the link box here. You can double-click a Word and Excel file to open it for editing in PowerPoint. Now you know how to add Word and Excel documents to your PowerPoint slides, making your presentation more informative. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.